Good morning, everyone. I hope you had a great weekend and got to enjoy the sunshine. I wanted to do a calendar this morning, so let's get started. You might see my daughter Maddie today. She might help me out with a couple things, okay? So just in case you see a little girl, that's my daughter Madeline. Okay. Let's get started with our rule song. Ready? Eyes on teacher, listening ears. Listening ears, you should have calm hands, and a calm body. Great job. All right, let's hit play. Oops.
2020.
All right.
Let's make a calendar.
First, we're going to do the days of the what? Week. Ready? Let's do it. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay. Yesterday was Sunday. Today is what? Sunday, Monday. Nice job. Can you tell me the day of the week? Awesome job. Yeah, don't call them. All right, today is Monday, May 4th, 2020. All right, so we did the days of the week. They're all done. Let's do the months of the year. Are you ready? Do you want to tell us the months of the year? All right, so what do we always start with? We start with what? January. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. Then we turn around. All right, let's look here. Where is May? You can do it. May is right there, right? That's our new month. It's May. May looks like this. May starts with letter. What letter is that? M. M-A-Y spells May. Great job, you guys. All right, so, let's see. Let's do our counting next. Days of the week are all done, right? The months of the year are all done. Now we have to count. What do we start with? 1, 2, 3. What comes next? 4. That's right. What number is it? 4. Great job. That's a 4. Remember on May 1st, I showed you the 1 and we matched the number to the amount or the quantity. I see number 4. Which die has the 4? 1 dot? 3 dots? How many is that? 4. Good. So we're going to match it. 4 to 4. Awesome job. We matched it. That's great. All right, let's kind of look more at our calendar. All right, fill in the missing day and date. We're going to do that. Fill in Monday, right? What number did we do? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
4. Great job.
All right. Let's fill in the special days, okay? We talked about how, sometimes people celebrate Cinco de Mayo. That's special. There's another special day on May 10th. It's Mother's Day. We talk about how much we love Mom and how much she means to us and what she does for us. So we'll talk about that this week too. All right, and then the last special day here is Memorial Day, right? So we'll put that here. Great, I wanted to kind of go over the special days with you so you can really see. All right, next we're going to do the weather. Ready? Weather watcher, what do you see? What do you see? Tell us what the weather's like. Tell us what the weather's like. Won't you please? Won't you please? Maddie, could you go to see what the weather is? Or come back and tell me. Tell everyone. You can tell everyone.
It's sunny.
Do you have the sunny picture? Yeah. All right, so Maddie says it's sunny outside. All right, so here's the sunny picture. We're going to match it up here. I'm so glad it's sunny out. Okay, do you remember what we started? The weather graph, right? So we're going to do the weather graph on the days we do calendar. So we had one rainy day. Where's the sunny? There it is. So we're going to color this box yellow. Yep. So we had one rainy day so far and one sunny day. Let's see what that looks like. Thank you. Whoa. So these two are tied. One sunny day, one rainy day. Great job. I can't wait to fill this up. Okay. It's an E right there, yeah. Okay, good. That's the weather. All right, the season, right? 4 seasons in a year. I can name all 4. Do you wanna hear? Let's get ready and say them all. Winter, spring, summer, and fall. All right, the season is, remember, it's still springtime. I love spring. The flowers start to grow in spring, right? Like plants and flowers. Okay, good. The season is spring. All right, wow, friends. That was good. So let's do the whole date. So I would like you to tell me as much as you can, okay? Today is Monday. What's the month? May. Good. What number is it? 4th or 4, 2020, right? And the weather today is sunny, right? Remember? Sunny day. And the season is spring. Great. Do you want to show this? All right. You all did an awesome job. Nice job. Awesome. Thanks, Maddie. You say bye.
Bye, guys.
Okay, have a great day today. I'll see you later. Bye, everyone.